Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making Crab Rangoon. We'll be making two different shapes, the simple one or easy one and the fancy one like this one. These are the ingredients for the Crab Rangoon. You can use any brand or type of wonton wrapper. When you see something like Hong Kong style, that usually means that the wrapper is thinner. I favor the thin wrapper for wonton soup, but for fried items I like all. In the food processor, I chop a packet of imitation crab. For this recipe, I only use half a packet, so I save the other half for something else. You can chop only half a packet if you like. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. Add 2 teaspoons sugar, 3/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 5.5 ounce cream cheese that has been cut into smaller pieces, add 1.5 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Comment below the proper way of saying it. Mix the ingredients. Add 3 teaspoons sour cream. This is my secret, you all. Sour cream will not only make the Crab Rangoon creamy, but also enhance the flavor. Slice 2 green onions and mix into the ingredients. Cover and put in the fridge to firm up. Separate the wonton wrappers. Crack and whisk 1 egg. Now we are ready to assemble. First, I'm making the simple shape. Watch how I do it. I put the egg wash on all sides of the wrapper. Then I take about 1.5 teaspoon of the mixture. I'm using the Hong Kong style wrapper for this because it's easier to squeeze and pinch. Now I take about 1.5 tablespoon of the mixture and shape into a ball. We are making the fancy one, and this shape can hold more mixture. I'm brushing off excess flour on the wrapper, and I'm using the thicker wrapper. Watch how I shape it. I put egg wash on all sides and I fold, squeeze, and pinch to ensure that they are not open when fried. Then I flatten the bottom so the bottom is not rounded. Heat up enough oil to cover the pan. When my wooden spoon sizzles, That means the oil is ready. Drop the crab rangoon and fry until golden brown. Take out from pan and drain on paper towel. Now I fry the simple style. Fry until golden brown. Serve with sweet sauce, and this is one of my favorite brands. These are the ingredients for the wasabi aioli sauce. Put 1/4 cup mayo in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons wasabi paste. Start mixing. Add 1 teaspoon honey. A few sprinkles of garlic powder. Add some water and mix thoroughly. The amount of water depends on your desired consistency. Thank you for watching and see you next time.